Shurley method, page 37, part 1, exercise 1. So match the definitions. Write the correct letter beside each concept in the first column. So pattern for an indirect object. So if we were classifying a sentence and we went over to the left to write the pattern, what would the pattern be? So pattern 3, which one shows pattern 3? What letter? W. Okay, word that starts the complete predicate. So what word, what classification usually starts the complete predicate? The verb. So letter H. Adverb that comes right before the verb is what? Okay, the adverb, we have to do the line because of the adverb exception. So letter T. Preposition. What's the preposition's job? Remember, mark them off as you guys use them. So I'd be marking on W, T, and H, which technically we should probably just put an X on them in case we'd have to come back if we made a mistake. X. Okay, connect the noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence. Okay, name a noun or pronoun after a preposition. Object of the preposition. So letter M. Okay, the 7 subject pronouns. What are the 7 subject pronouns? I heard someone say it. Nope, I, we. Okay, letter O. Number 7, understood subject pronoun. So when you're classifying a sentence, what would you just say is the understood subject pronoun? It's not necessarily in the sentence, you. So letter S. Use object pronouns in each job. So when you label these, what would they be object pronouns? So it's the object of the preposition clearly, right? Okay. Or the indirect object or the direct object. So which one? Q. Number 9, singular indefinite pronoun. So remember when we mark them, they're usually towards the bottom of the page, but they could go different ways. No. Okay, the letter R. Number 10, conjunction for a complex sentence. What type of conjunction is it? Letter N, a subordinate conjunction. Okay, the 7 object pronouns are not mine, me, us, you. The letter U. Okay, 2 noun jobs are what? The subject noun and the object of the preposition, the letter E. Okay, the 7 possessive pronouns are. No, we just use that. So my, letter I. Possessive pronoun. So it shows what? Ownership. So letter G. Okay. Punctuation mark for a possessive noun. So letter D. The possessive question. So what do you ask to know if it shows possession? Whose. So letter V. Verbs in front of the main verb. Helping verbs. So letter B. Part of speech for not. What classification would you give that if you were classifying a sentence? Pattern 2. So what would that? It's not a pattern. So what would that be? Adverb. So letter J. Plural indefinite pronouns. No. Letter F, right? Both few, many, other, several. Okay, singular or plural indefinite pronouns. Not C. A. All, any, more, most, none, some. Pattern for a direct object. So if I were to write out the pattern, what letter? Y. Okay, the three main conjunctions are, so letter P. Compound. What does a compound sentence do? Two or more words. The letter L. Interjection. What is an interjection? The letter C. And then number 25, part of speech for possessive noun. And letter K, an adjective.